Killer deal on this blower and snow blower and blower combo. Big shout out to Daniel at Dana Tools Facebook group. Yeah. All right. So we haven't made a video. I know Best Buy Electronics, but it's actually a tool that we're making a video today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss the latest and greatest deals. Let's see here. It's going to let me do it. All right. You got the Greenworks 80 volts 20-inch snow blower with 730 CFM handheld blower. 2-piece winter combo kits with two 4 amp hour batteries, rapid charger green. So it does have 4.5 stars. I did do some digging on the internet, and they said that it might have a defected. The blower might be defected. I don't know if it's actually this model or another one, but you are able to return it just in case. But it's worth a try. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good one. There's the blower right there, the snow blower, and I believe it's a single stage snow blower. And then you got the two batteries and charger. This one's down to $399 from $11.99 to $399. So that's a really good deal. $800 off on that one. That's pretty much what those batteries are worth. So even if you have those batteries, you're in that line, you got the mowers and everything with 80 volts, then jump on it because those batteries are really good. Plus, you're getting the tools for free. You can put it that way. Anyways, that's it. I will leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.